What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be a short video so I can talk about this Quntis iPhone and iPad charger. This little gadget has been an absolute game changer for me. First off, let's talk speed. This charger delivers lightning fast charging for both my iPhone and iPad, and it also works with other USB-C devices. This cuts down my charging time significantly. And then let's not forget about durability. The Quntis charger is built to last with a sturdy design that can withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, the cable length for the included USB-C and USB Lightning cables is just right. It gives me the flexibility I need without any tangling issues. Another thing that I love is the compatibility. It works seamlessly with all my Apple and even my Android and other USB-C devices, and it allows me to charge more than one device at a time. No more switching chargers around and having to wait hours for your device to charge. And the best part, it won't break the bank, coming in at under $13. So if you're looking for a reliable and fast charging solution for your Apple and other devices, this Quntis iPhone and iPad charger is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave the links to purchasing this unit in the description section below. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.